Hi. In this video, we will talk about skin tightening treatments, which are a popular way to improve the appearance of your skin, but choosing the right one can be difficult. Here are 4 tips to help you make an informed decision and understand the risks. Tip number 1. Do your research. Look for reputable clinics and certified professionals who have experience in the specific treatment you're considering. Check reviews and testimonials to ensure that others have had successful results. Tip number 2. Consider the risks. All medical procedures carry some degree of risk, and skin tightening treatments are no exception. Make sure you understand the potential risks associated with the procedure you're considering, and weigh them against the benefits. Tip number 3. Discuss your medical history. It's crucial to disclose your medical history with your chosen clinic or professional before undergoing any skin tightening treatment. Certain health conditions or medications may increase your risk of complications, so it's essential to let them know of any relevant information. Tip number 4. Follow post-treatment instructions. After your skin tightening treatment, it's important to follow all post-treatment instructions provided by your clinic or professional. These instructions may include avoiding sun exposure, refraining from certain activities, or using specific skincare products. Choosing the right skin tightening treatment is essential for achieving the desired results, without compromising your health. I hope this helps you make an informed decision about your skin tightening treatment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.